Hello there, it's your girl StaceNthePlace, and I'm back with another Kindle review to help you today on Monday, June 3rd, to try and score this Kindle for $10.95 because this little joint right here, this one is one that you're going to want to write home about. I'm just telling you right now. So Hello Beautiful and Black Cherry Merlot is a mix that has fragrance notes of white gardenia, magnolia blossom, wild black cherries, and velvety red wine. Okay, I was like, ooh. Okay, and it says it's supposed to smell like an intimate picnic in the park on a sunny afternoon. Is this Adult Swim? What is going on here? Oh, what? Bath and Body Works. I mean, they done let these Bridgerton little scenes, they done ran wild. They done got into the candle creation. Oh my goodness. So with this candle, on Cold Sniff, I was just like, it's just Black Cherry Merlot. I mean, maybe there's something else tap dancing in the background, but it's Black Cherry Merlot. It's her show. But after putting it on the warmer, ooh, those flowers are doing their darn thing. So this candle, this is absolutely a beautiful candle. I have really thoroughly enjoyed this blend. But apparently, I'm not the only one, because as of this morning, the 3 stores around me, pick up in store, honey, unavailable, unavailable, unavailable. Okay, she ain't here. Don't call for her because she ain't here. Or you gonna have to take yourself to the store and go look for her and pick her up, because the word is out. Okay, the word is out. This candle is just. It's good, okay? I mean, picture Black Cherry Merlot, and Black Cherry Merlot, it's kind of hearty. It's like, a nice, thick, juicy red wine. Not too dry, but it's doing a little something, something. It's giving you something to feel, something to hold on to. But then the addition of Hello Beautiful, it sweetens it up with the flowers. It gives it kind of like this, dare I say, it almost lightens it. Like it lightens the load just a little bit, just to give you another thing to feel like, oh, it's light and airy, it's beautiful, it's uplifting. It hide. I feel like the flowers kind of hide along in there because you're used to the fruit aspect of Black Cherry Merlot. So it may take you a little bit of time with warming the candle to truly be able to smell and appreciate the flowers of it all. So this is my not my fourth time. This is my second time warming it for about 4 hours. And I kept her in the kitchen because she's doing her darn thing. Now, I want to give her, if I had to give her a number, I'm going to give her, I'm going to give her an 8.5 because she's able to fill the kitchen. She spreads somewhat into the living room, but it's not as thick of a spread as I would have expected. If she filled out the living room section, then I would say go ahead on and give her a 9. If she blew the whole house down, I'd give her a 10. So she's not quite there, even though Tux wants to cry and advocate for her in the background. I'm gonna give her a solid 8.5. If you put her in a medium room like the guest room, she might blow you out of there, but you'll enjoy it because it's not too strong, it's not too overwhelming. It's very nice, very pleasant, very fruity. This is on par for summer. This is a great candle for the summer, personally, in my opinion, for sure. So I am surprised that Bopus is a Nopus around here for this candle, but at the same time, it's a beautiful candle. So if you've had the opportunity to smell it, you've had the opportunity to warm it. I see why people would be flocking in droves to go and pick her up and secure the bag, honey. Secure the bag, or secure your intimate afternoon. I'm like, wow, sis, when do we make an afternoon delight? That's hilarious. Oh my goodness. But would I recommend this candle? Absolutely. This one is a great one. I'm thoroughly enjoying it. It's beautiful for the summer. It will also be beautiful for the fall as well. This candle, I think I could definitely see this being one that after a couple of months, people are going to be like, man, I wish I had picked up more of that one. Or, oh, I wish they would bring back that Hello Beautiful and Black Cherry Merlot. I can see it because they did their thing with this candle. I was kind of on the fence. I thought in the beginning, I was like, Black Cherry Merlot, she going to take over. It's going to be like Sir Mix-a-Lot is Sir Mix-a-Not. But no, they did a really good job. And again, that's the thing. They smell one way on cold, honey, but let the truth be told. You got to give it a little heat. You got to give it a little love to see what's really going on. All right, but I mean, that's as much as I feel at liberty to gush about this candle in PG-13 programming. So with that, we will catch you in the next review in a couple of hours, shall we? Hope you're having a lovely day. Bye.